Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life, and today we're going to go check out a Canadian store called Structube. Let's go have a look. These stores have been popping up in cities all over Canada, and if you're like me and you like shopping, you might be interested to know what's inside. In this 5-minute video, I'll take you on a quick tour, giving you an idea of what you can expect to find at your local Structube store. This particular store is in Richmond, British Columbia. This company has been around since 1974, and they originally sold tubular retail racking to clothing stores. The name Structube actually comes from the French term structures tubulaires. They changed that to Structube and created a modern new furniture store. Structube was founded in Montreal, Canada, but most of Structube furniture is manufactured offshore, making it relatively affordable. Currently, there are about 80 stores across Canada and have quickly become one of the leading retailers of contemporary furniture in our country. Currently, they offer free delivery for any purchases over $299. They had some beautiful home decor items. They have lighting. They even had their own line of bedding, which surprised me. You'll also find office furniture, couches, accent chairs, dining tables, beds, and pretty much anything you need to furnish your home. I really liked their selection of colors for some of those accent pieces where you need a little pop of color. Sit back and relax for the next 3 or 4 minutes and enjoy the music as we wander through this Structube store. I'd love to know if you bought anything that you see here. Let me know in the comments below. I also like finding out where you're watching from, so you can let me know that as well. Here we go. Let's shop. I hope you enjoyed my little tour of Structube. I would love it if you became one of my subscribers. I have some great videos coming up on this channel, and I also have another channel you may want to check out called Tinagirl Travels. I'll add a link here for you so you can have a look at that as well. I'll see you again soon on Tinagirl Life. Thanks again for watching.